Very good morning. Very good morning, all the students of third standard. We are learning here the 12th lesson of our social studies, that is the civic amenities we are learning. So in the previous video of third standards, I taught about the introductions and some points on the page number 68. Along with that, I have sent the photocopy of the same lessons of page number 68 and 69, so that you can read out in a proper way, or you can understand this one in a proper way there. So in the previous video we have studied about the village panchayat, how the village panchayat systems work or how it run. In the ancient time there were a punch. There's the 5 members were there. In that, woman's representative was also there. So these 5 members are the punch. They look after the village matters or the affairs, and they give the decisions or the verdict. In present time, if you see that, then there is a gram panchayat is there, sarpanch or the pradhan is there, head of the gram panchayat, and the citizen of that village or the region of the area, those who have completed 18 years of his or her age, they have the right to vote in a gram panchayat levels. There has to be at least one woman member in the panchayat system there. It was compulsory. The sarpanch or the pradhan is the head of the panchayat system. Sarpanch or pradhan, he was the head of the panchayati systems of the gram panchayat. Page number 69. The gram panchayat caters to the needs of the villagers. That what is the work of the gram panchayat? Gram panchayat, it look after the need of the villagers. That what are the need of the villages is there. That need will be fulfilled by the gram panchayat member, by the sarpanch. Need of the villages will be fulfilled by them. So it looks after the welfare of the peoples by setting up the schools and the health center. So how the gram panchayat look after the work there? So gram panchayat look after the works by setting up the schools for the people there. They set up the schools for the people, those who are the people, those are the people in the village, region or the areas. For them, they set up the different facility there. They provide the facility and the healthcare centers, schools, educational institutions for the children there. The panchayat also looks after the improvement of agriculture. So along with that, gram panchayat also look after the improvement of agriculture. How to be improve the agriculture in their village or in their respective region or the areas. How to improve the agricultural productions. For that they work. What are the new facilities are there, new schemes are there, which are the launched by the government, that they start to be provided, that they start to be explained, discussed with the villagers, with the farmers there. Sinkings of wells, those means providing the facilities to dig out the wells, to set up the wells there in the regions, and make an availability of water sources there for the villages waters or to farm water there. Hygiene and the cleanliness of the village is also important to maintain the proper clean atmospheres, hygienic region of the villages there. Look after the proper savages or the disposals and wastewater materials there. This also looked after by gram panchayat. It is responsible for providing all the essential services, and also gram panchayat is considered, or it is important for the gram panchayat. They are to be provide all essential facilities in a village level. That whatever they needed that in a village levels, to be provide all the facility there to the village levels. So this was the work of the gram panchayat. Whatever they needed in the village level for the village development, that all they have to be provided. Municipality. The next point is there, municipality. A municipal committee works in a town and the city. Now village level gram panchayat is there. So into the town or the city, municipality is there. So municipality, it works into the town or the city levels area there. The member of a municipality called municipal councillor are also elected by the peoples of the town or the city. So those who are the member of the municipality, all these members are called as a municipal councillor. So in a village level they are called as a member of Gram Panchayat, and into the municipality they are called as a municipal councillor. And all these members of municipal councillor or the municipality, they are elected by the peoples, those who live in that specific town or the city. So in towns and the small city, these committees are called as a municipal council. So into the small town or into the cities, that all these members, they are called as a municipal. So these committees are called as a municipal councils there. In big cities, this committee is called as municipal corporations, and wherever there is a big cities are there, in such big cities, these in such big cities, it is called as a municipal corporations there. Wherever there is a big city, there it is called as a municipal corporations there. And its chairman is called as a mayor. Wherever there is a municipal corporation is there, the chairman or the head person of the municipal corporation is also called as a mayor. So remember here, municipality and municipal corporations. The work done by the municipal committee is similar to the work done by the Gram Panchayat. Whatever the work is done by the municipality or the municipal committee, the same is similar to the work done by the Gram Panchayat. What kind of work is completed or done at the Gram Panchayat level? Same type of work is there, but a little bit of extended, expanded, a little bit big there, variation. Same work is there. So the functions of the municipality are to be provide civic amenities. What is the main function of the municipality? To be provide the civic amenity, to provide the basic facility for the peoples, those who live in the respective region or the areas in that specific regions of the town or the city, namely there. In which town or the city mostly they live there. To be provide the basic facility for them. This was the work. This is the work or the responsibility of the municipality or the municipal committee there. So their work and the criteria, what kind of work mostly they do in that respective regions into the town or the cities, that we'll see in the next video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.